Welcome back. I'm Suresh from Machu Tattoos. So today the topic is how to sleep with the new tattoo. This may sound little different, right? Many of the people thinks that what is huge in this to discuss as a separate video, but nobody thinks about this before getting a tattoo done, but everybody gets worried after getting a tattoo done how to maintain it. So that's why the topic is here now. Most of the clients, almost 90% of the clients who got the tattoo done at the day of the getting a tattoo done, surely they ask how to sleep with it. If that touches the skin, what happens? If that touches my bedsheet, what happens? So let's get into the topic. Let's talk about it. The first fact is keep your bedsheet clean and make yourself a separate bedsheet for at least 2 weeks because for your tattoo maintenance purpose. Because for example, this is mostly common for the people who got the back tattoos or the full biceps tattoos, so they want to sleep on their either sides or the back, correct? Yeah, right. So now I'll be explaining you what happens when we do this. When you do this, you are pressurizing your tattoo on top of the bed. So when this happens, the chances of lot of ooziness may happen and skin can't able to breathe properly. So that leads a kind of little more pain and the next day of morning, and your bedsheet will get spoiled with the full of inks and the bleed oozings. So I highly recommend you just keep a dark color separate bedsheet for you at the day of tattooing and at least for another 1 week. So after that you can go ahead and get back to the normal. And the most important another thing is don't wear any tight clothes around the tattoo. Yes, if you are a person staying in a place it's very cold, that tends you to wear that thermal wears and lot of jerseys, cloths and all. So don't do that. Always wear a loose cotton dresses which can able to make your skin breathe very quickly. When your skin can able to breathe, so it can able to heal so quickly, and when the air keep passes on that, it may let the tattoo to be dry and it will not ooze much. So don't wear tight dresses before getting into the sleep, at least for 1 week of tattooing. Now the another fact is don't let your pet inside your bedroom. Yes, it sounds a little tough for many of the pet lovers, right? Yes. Why? Because many of the people allows their pet inside their bed and they'll be hug and sleep with them. But pets are having a high emerge of smell of the blood as well as the wound, so they immediately come and start to leak and they want that wound to be get healed completely. So don't allow that. It may cause a lot of gruesome germs and millions of germs which will goes into your skin, and it may cause some infections also. It may sound a little scary, right? Yes. At least try to avoid the pets in the bedroom before you go to the sleep, and make them the separate arrangements and make them to sleep in the separate places. That will give you the best output after healed. Thing is, elevate your tattoo. Yes. So before going to get sleep, for example, if you are a person getting a full forearm tattoo, when you're sleeping it will be in the downwards, so there is a chance of swelling may happen on the next day. So what you can do is you just put a pillow or some other things and you just make your hand little lift it up. When you lift it up and when you sleep, so there will be lot of blood circulations may happen, so it will be allows you to get less swelling comparing to the normal position. You may be the best natural night owl on the day, but at least for 4 to 5 days you just have 8 hours of proper sleep after getting a tattoo done, because when you sleep well it may reduce the anxiety and it can able to heal your tattoo very quickly. So I always highly recommend have enough good sleep at least for 8 hours, and don't put yourself so trouble in the night, and don't do any things which will give more stress before going to sleep. This may helps you to heal your tattoo quickly. It may sound little unreliable, but it really helps a lot. Then here the most important question and the most important facts which we need to remember. Every client after getting a tattoo they ask, shall I booze now? So you can booze it, but make it limit. Because if you are a person got boozed a lot, and if you scratch while sleeping on your skin and you may without knowing it you just scrubbed it or anywhere, then your tattoo will get spoiled and may cause lead big wound. So don't do that. So if you are a person want to boost with a limited amount and do, my best suggestion is don't drink at all. A little more important thing, it's not a hard rule, but if you do it, it can give you the best output. So applying the lotion or Dermal Explo. So I often said to you this about this Dermal Explo, and I said I'll explain to you in my future videos about this explanatory. What this Dermal Explo basically do is it will create a thin layer on your skin, and that will be helps you to protect your tattoo while sleeping, and you don't need to worry about a lot of sweating, and you don't need to worry about the waterfall on that. That can gives you the allow the skin to be breathed also. So that is one of the best way. Or else before going to sleep, don't let your tattoo to be so dry, just apply the lotion and sleep off. That can help you to little hydrated while sleeping your tattoo. And these are all the main factors before going to sleep. And if you are a person, your skin is getting healed quickly, and once the peel off and all started happening, then you no need to worry at all. You can go ahead and sleep in the normal ways. But at least for 5 to 7 days, just follow all these things and make sure you are maintaining your tattoo very well and get the best output. Don't die nude.